Oh, it's turning back on. It's recording. What'd you do?
I just wanted to record you guys singing Blue.
I'll do it for you. Hello, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. Today, my brother, it's not focused on me. This is like, I think, I don't know who made it. It was a guy who made it.
Jeffree Star.
No.
Oh.
He credited him. Brayden will find who made it and put it right here. This person made this trend. It's reacting to someone's makeup tutorial and doing it yourself. So, what do they call it? I tried following Adel and Morin's makeup tutorial video. Brayden's gonna be trying to do my makeup tutorial on Celeste, and it's gonna be funny because both of them know nothing about makeup. I'm just gonna be in the background laughing at them. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. I did this makeup like just playing around, and you guys really liked it on Instagram, so girl, I'll be doing a tutorial on it. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe. A tutorial! Celeste, you need to do the posing shots.
Whoa, there's like something here.
Brayden, you're gonna poke me in the eye.
Blue, are you watching? That's a good face. That's a good face.
Mom said I don't want to bring Celeste to the hospital tonight.
By the way, the video that we're copying is all a drugstore makeup tutorial. So what do I get?
Oh.
Product number 1.
Oh.
I try not to put too much on my nose area because I feel like when I put a lot, my foundation kind of like slips and slides, like slip and slide. Avoiding the joker. Now for foundation. I'm going to be using this as the next one. Why are you laughing? Foundation, and this is the
You look like a true beige. There are mountains. Oh!
First we put this all over the face part.
The face part.
The part with the face. Okay, so move your hair. When was the last time you wore makeup, Celeste?
study formal.
I don't like this.
Yeah, this feels
It
weird.
smells like cinnamon. It does? Oh, it does.
Yeah, this is like wet.
Yeah.
It feels so weird. You know those marble, like those balls that are like that feel really satisfying.
Yeah, the Orbeez.
Like that's.
It reminds you of an Orby.
Yeah. This makeup.
Now there's Orby gel on my face.
Okay, we are done. The instant pore eraser. Oh, how do I do this?
Towel.
Do I use my hands
We
for
didn't
this?
watch.
The NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and this is their new one. I'm putting it all over my. Oh my god, my hands are like slippery from the primer. I'm putting that all over the beauty blender and then
Oh,
we need
beauty
a beauty
blender.
blender.
Okay.
number 12.
I remember that thing on Twitter. Like the girls would always ask the guys like, "What's this?" So I saw she like used. It's like one of those medicines, right? Where you like hold on to it. Oh! Do I like paint it or like what do I do? How much do I use?
That's good.
That's good?
Well, actually more.
Turn your face. Okay.
Precision.
So
Okay,
maybe-
now try dabbing it. Yeah, that looks better. No.
It feels like, you know that banana medicine or whatever?
The banana medicine? Celeste, show what you're doing.
Oh, look how much
Show
I got.
No.
I feel like is this a lot? I feel like this is a lot.
Oh, Celeste, you're in for a treat.
Beauty blenders.
Brayden, bounce it. Don't rub it. Bounce it.
You gotta put all this in.
Yeah, like that. Bounce rub it. Yeah, like that. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
ooh,
yeah.
ooh.
I don't like this.
Definitely too much. Wait, can you close your eyes? Can I put it? Can I put it in your eyelid?
No.
I should have done it on. Oh, sorry.
Look at my mouth.
But you opened your mouth as I was doing. Okay, I think we're good.
Makeup and
This is my favorite lip balm ever, you guys know. Kind of matches the back. This is the Bath & Body Works Rose Salt Balm. My lip, it kind of brightened up our face and using the NYX Mineral Stick Foundation. And this
NYX?
What about the lip balm for it?
Oh, I didn't see that. Celeste, I can't take this out.
You.
How do people open this? Your lips are dry.
I know.
Eh, that's good enough.
Celeste, you look like good. That took a second to say good.
And I'm like not used to the skinny brushes that the drugstore has.
NYX
So,
Mineral Stick Foundation.
So I'm just putting it on places I want to brighten, like underneath my eyes and my eyebrows. Bad thing.
Bad on his hair. You already put a foundation on.
But
you said to put 2 on.
Just skip that.
skip it.
Okay, words from Adlan is to skip this step. We have to, I don't know, like... Substitute, I guess, the other product. Originally it was the NYX, but now we're doing the Tarte.
It's cold.
Replicate that.
Okay.
Stop doing
Like
it so
tribal
hard.
makeup.
That looks pretty similar.
Why are you so rough to her face?
And we're done.
I don't like this.
Okay.
You guys know this is my favorite bronzer, the NYC one. I'm pretty sure that this one is one that.
Oh, Adlan already got it.
on tour.
NYC Smooth Skin. So how do you
You
use
need
it?
a brush.
Just tell me.
Oh yeah, we need a brush.
Oh, this is the NYX brush. It's my favorite one.
Oh, and then I just rub it in. Okay. So forehead. Oh, that's too much. That's too much.
Brayden!
Was that too much?
Look at her forehead!
Cheeks.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
How do I get rid of it? Do I just blend it? Oh, I can use, I can
Beauty
use the
blend
beauty
it.
blender. Yeah,
Beauty blend.
Man, this looks like a dress.
There, it's fine now.
No, it's not.
Looks like I got a bruise in my forehead.
Okay, Brayden, look at her eyes. She looks like her eyes are sagging.
It's because it's not. We're not done
Go
yet.
around.
You blend it.
Careful, careful, careful.
Ah! Is that light enough? Try not to scream. Hey, that's cheating. That's cheating.
It looks so bad. I really want to fix it. Let me fix it. Okay, bye.
I'm not even doing hard.
It's like you're dabbing it down.
So what do you want me to dab it on?
And then getting a small blending brush and taking that and then contouring my nose a little bit. There's like the past like year the drugstore.
So did we already have contour?
It's no.
Contour is bronzer.
So then what's bronzer?
Contour is bronzer.
How can
See,
contour be bronzer?
Contour
She
is
just used this
bronzer.
thing.
It's like how hockey's sport. Like the same thing.
Oh.
Blue,
It looks the exact same. It didn't even do anything.
Blue, come here. I know you're up to something.
Do you see a difference?
Okay.
Is the Pixie highlighters with Aspen Nova.
Pixie highlighter.
Pixie?
Aspen Nova.
It's like a purple highlighter. It looks like.
Brayden, you look stressed.
So I put it on this, and then do,
Celeste, you look so tense.
and look, I think it was the chin or no? No. Forehead.
Use a little bit. A teeny tiny little bit.
Is that good?
That's a lot. Don't dip it back in. You literally
I'm
used
sorry.
it
sorry.
all. Look, this is how much you grabbed.
I just dabbed it. Like
That's good. It looks like snow.
What is
I
it?
told you, you got too much.
What is it?
You got too much.
It looks like powder. What is
It
this
is
called again?
powder, miss. Even Blue's freaked out.
I grabbed too much.
Oh my god.
Can I put it in here?
You don't want to
You look like you're baking. Wow, I've never seen something so terrifying in my life.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Rest in peace to the shirt.
Rest in peace, this makeup tutorial.
Also, their matte palette. It's matte for matte too. And they're actually
What? What's it called?
Elf matte
pigmented,
palette.
like professional makeup, sweet cheeks, blush.
Do I use my fingers?
It's eyeshadow. And I'm using this red one.
Oh no.
That's gonna hurt.
Lightly. Happening. Could you replay it? Because I'm scared of what you're doing to me.
Color and now all of
Yeah, right there. See?
bring it out a little bit.
Yeah, she's just.
With
I'm tired. This is so much work.
Oh, I'm scared.
Why am I putting this on twice? Like, is this really necessary? Okay, we're done. We're done. We're good.
Brayden, one eye is so much more red than the other.
Okay.
Make sure it's even, Brayden.
It's even!
They look like different shades of red.
For that, and I'm putting it underneath my eyes. Not to put like a wall to it, and I want my inner corner to be super poppin', so I'm gonna be putting the same highlighter that we were using and putting that on my inner corner. This is just gonna be
So I'll put highlight there.
Eyelid.
Is that good? I didn't even get any.
Lightly.
It's not even. I'm not getting any of it.
I don't care. Stop it!
That's good. This is so much work.
So much more, you're not even doing it good.
Our eyes,
can.
Black. This is a NYX. It's so tiny. It's the NYX Glide On Stay On, and it's their waterproof eyeliner. I'm putting that on my waterline.
You're not doing that. Yay, no eye stuff. I'm not gonna get my eyes poked out.
Luminous Original and the Maybelline.
Oh, this I can do.
Yeah.
The falses eyelashes.
Falses?
Falses.
Do I have to open my eye?
Yeah, you have to.
No, keep it closed.
Okay, keep it closed.
Wow, thanks for.
Thumbs up!
I need something to rest my elbow on. Oh, this is hard.
You got that on my nose.
Trying to hold my elbow so. Okay, wait. I'll do it from this side. This angle. I can't keep my elbow straight.
Stop!
Stop moving! You can keep moving. I'm just gonna put it all over your face.
Stop!
Like-
Don't laugh! Peanut butter!
That's gotta be good. Does it look fine, Adeline?
Look at my
No,
nose.
that was by accident. It doesn't blend in.
you mess
It doesn't-
up that bad?
It doesn't blend in. What the heck?
Because it's black!
No,
You can't blend out black!
Look, it's gone. Look. Okay, now you gotta blend it in. If you blend it in then after, then it'll work. Look, I'm a genius. Look, Adam, look. I'm a genius.
Yeah, you are a genius. What about this? Celeste has mascara on like 5 of her eyelashes. But that's
She
okay.
keeps moving. Okay. I keep, like, it's so long. Stop moving. Oh my. Stop moving. It's either I'm moving or you're moving. Oh, that was good. That was a good one. That looks good, right? Adeline. That looks good.
Which tutorial are you going off of again? Everyone's done? Genius.
Is it genius or genius?
It's genius.
Genius.
It's genius.
I'm wearing glasses, I'm smarter, okay?
Is it genius or genius?
Some gold eyeliner on my inner corner of my eye. I wanted to
Gold
like this
eyeliner.
for my-
Do not poke my eye out, please.
Whoa, look how thin this is.
Wow, Brayden, how precise.
That's good.
Beautiful!
Oh my god, if you guys ever try this makeup tutorial, can you please tweet it to me because I want to see
You
So
should
is that
tweet
it?
it to me!
but last lips.
Laughing at this whole.
Lip liner, cut it pop.
This I've been laughing the whole time. This would get a lot of views.
Brayden, that's not her lip.
Yeah, it's a liner. You don't put it on the lip, you outline it. Come here.
Great.
Color it in or do I just outline it? Like, do I color it in?
Ay. There's already no going back, Brayden. Hi, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. I'm Celeste the clown. I'm Celeste the gorgeous, pretty clown.
No, I could just
We still have to do the lips.
Then why is it called
It
lip
doesn't look
liner?
that
It's
bad
you
from a
line the
distance.
lips. You outline the lips.
You're opening it like upside down.
What do you mean? You don't open it like this?
It's gonna,
Yeah,
it's gonna start.
everything's gonna come out.
You just go in the middle. Can I do you want to fix that?
It's in my mouth. How am I
Yeah,
supposed to
I know.
fix it? Dude, look at what you got inside my mouth.
Gotta have steady hands for this.
Brayden, I really like your arm posture. Looks really good.
Cause you have to like.
Freaking frack! Yay, I'm so excited to go see Cirque du Soleil. Wow! The greatest show!
We're almost done.
Maybe you have to dab it. Maybe that's.
No, you don't need to dab it. There's only beauty blender.
If you dab it, it's better because you can like fill it in, kind of, you know.
All I'm seeing is a little line.
Okay, that's good enough. Ew, it actually does look kind of bad.
What beauty shots
I thought it
do we
looked
do?
fine from my angle.
Lips?
Yeah, the lips.
You know what? We did it! I think you did it. You did pretty
think,
good.
Yeah, I think that's pretty
Yeah?
good.
Yay!
I mean, it can like I can improve a bit, but like you know we all gotta improve somehow. you know?
Yeah.
Solid. Like I think that's a solid like 8.5 out of 10.
Oh man.
What's your rating, Celeste?
8.5's a little high, don't you think?
Maybe a negative 8.5.
Honestly, truly, a 7.25.
A 7.25. I'll take that. Woo!
Mom, you be in Brayden's video, you're not in mine?
Out of 10.
A 5.
Okay.
Her lips look
That's
like
a pass.
It's
That's
like,
a pass.
It's like a Joker's lips or something.
Yeah. Out of 10.
4.
Like a
That's
5 for effort.
5. That's a pass. That's a pass. The next video will be with Jessica. That's it for the video.
It looks so
I have the nearest makeup wipe.
And that's gonna do it for the video. Make sure you guys like the video if you think that this look is good.
Woo!
Subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see Jessica's makeup, and it'll be even better than this.
Okay, bye!
Disgusted face. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good.